Who would have thought na ang 5 binatang ito na nag-umpisa sa wala, nag-umpisa na pangarap ang baon, nag-umpisa na may takot sa papasuking landas, nag-umpisang baon ay pag-asa at talento na sa huli ipapakilala pala ang musika ng Pilipino sa buong mundo. Hindi sila ang pinakamagaling, ngunit mayroon silang pagmamahal sa kanilang ginagawa. Aminado silang hindi sila ang pinakamagaling, pero may pangako silang isang araw, the world will witness them at their best. 5 taong may pangarap, 5 taong may pangarap at pinagbuklod ng hangaring sana ay maging daan sila para makamit ng Pilipinas at maipakita sa buong mundo kung gaano kagaling ang mga Pilipino.
SB Talent Camp Facebook Live!
박수! 몇명 보고 있어?
3!
3. 일단 10명 될 때까지 기다릴까요?
Let's wait for 10 na lang. 10 viewers. Baka sino yan? Si Sir Charles Kim 1.
나안 보고 있는데? 오케이. 지금 하트를 눌러주세요. 네.
오, 데시리. 데시리 크리오.
네. 지금 이름 한 번씩 불러줘. 이름 한번 불러줘, 이름씩. 콜.
Sino kaya mga viewers ngayon? Si?
Desiree.
Desiree.
디엔.
Malari.
Malari.
자, 오늘 이 자리는 SB 탤런트 캠프의 우리 엔터테이너들을 여러분들께 제대로 라이브를 통해서 팬과 소통하는 자리.
Yung Facebook Live daw ngayon ay para sa interaction ng mga artists.
We have selected 3 boys from the training program who we felt will be the next big talent in the Philippines. They were Sejun, Stel, and Josh. We then added Justin and Ken as we felt that they will complete the group and create the perfect synergy. They didn't have a name by that time, so Robin and I thought of how we should call them. We wanted a name to be simple, easy to remember, and something that would represent what we believe in. So we thought of using SB from our company name Show BT, and being in the IT telco business before, I thought of incorporating both the country's code of Korea and the Philippines, which is 82 and 63, and by adding the individual numbers 8 plus 2 plus 6 plus 3, we get the sum of 19. We then formed the name SB19, which we know now. SB19 went through lots of hardships in their initial years, from their training up to their debut. There was a time that they started to have doubts about their future as a group, but with much patience and perseverance to pursue their passion and dreams, they were able to go through these difficult challenges, and now they are one of the ambassadors of Pinoy pop or P-pop to the world stage. Of course, this would not be possible without their fans and supporters. We thank you, 18.
Here we gonna go up.
Naghahanap po sila ng talented Filipinos na gusto maging professional performers.
In a world where dreams often fade before they begin, 5 artists dared to rise. They built their legacy, not through luck, but through fire. Pablo, the brain, the visionary, the strategist, the mind that transforms chaos into creation. Through every lyric and every beat, he shapes the path forward. Josh, the vein, the pulse that keeps them alive, the glue that binds every piece together. Through every struggle, he keeps the group in motion. Stell, the backbone, the pillar that never falls. Host, choreographer, vocal titan. When pressure breaks the weak, he rises stronger. Ken, the aura, a presence that speaks louder than words. Mystery, gravity, emotion woven into every move. He doesn't just perform, he transforms the room. Justin, the soul, warmth, calm, the quiet fire that holds them steady. His sincerity reminds them who they are and who they fight to become. But even greatness cannot rise alone. Atin, the heart, the lifeblood of the journey. From the earliest believers to the newest fans, their voices carry the group across nations. Every shout, every cheer, every moment of faith keeps SB19 alive. 5 forces, 1 heartbeat, a story carved from struggle, sacrifice, and unbreakable unity. They rose from nothing to become a movement. This is the mind, the strength, the pulse, the soul, the aura, and the heart that fuels it all. SB19, the rise continues. This is only the beginning.
Nagkaroon kami ng evaluation para masala po lahat. So, kailangan talaga prepared ka sa lahat ng task na gagawin nila. Pressured, stress, tas yung sakit ng katawan. Masaya, and at the same time, nakakalungkot. Sobrang stress.
Pag gising ko sa umaga po, sobrang sakit ng dito ko, yung legs ko po, and then dito shoulders. Pag nagliligo po ako, di ko po masyadong nagagalaw yung kamay ko po.
Habang marami ang naghihintay ng international break, yung SB19 gumawa ng sariling daan. Alam mo yung sa gubat, kailangan mong tumapyas ng mga puno at sanga, magpatag ng mga daraanan para yung mga kasama mo hindi na masyadong mahirapan. SB19 ang gumawa nun. Nag-tour sila sa iba't ibang bansa, tayo ng sariling kumpanya at unti-unting binuo ang pangalan ng P-pop sa global stage. Kaya ang Lollapalooza, reward siya sa mga taon ng paghihirap, taon ng dedikasyon ng SB19, taon ng sakripisyo at pagmamahal. Hindi lang sila kumakanta, sila mismo ang nagsusulat, sila ang nagpo-produce, sila ang nagka-conceptualize ng music at performance nila. May sariling identity ang SB19. Bukod doon, lagi ka magugulat kasi lagi silang merong bagong hinahanda. Dahil napakabilis magsawa ng mga tao. Dahil ang mga manonood laging gustong merong inaabangan. Ang music festival kagaya ng Lollapalooza ay hindi lang naghahanap ng mga magagaling na performers. Sa palagay ko, naghahanap sila ng mga artists na merong sariling kwento at yun ang meron ng SB19.
Yeah, we gonna go up. Ibibigay ko ang aking puso sa pag-abot na pangarap dito. Handa kong harapin ang lahat, yeah. Kahit pa imposible, yeah, we gonna go up.
Ang festival crowd, hindi mo mapapabilib ng basta sa visuals lang. Kailangan mong kumanta ng live, sumayaw, makipag-connect sa audience, at panatilihin ang energy mula umpisa hanggang dulo. At napatunayan niya ng SB19 na kaya nilang gawin yon sa iisang stage. Napansin mo ba? SB19 had their own style. They had their own identity. May sariling kultura. At kahit na global na ang audiences nila, hindi nila iniwan ang pagiging Pilipino. Sa bawat kanta, sa bawat performance, bit-bit nila kung saan sila nanggaling. At yon ang gusto ng mga international festival.
Parang iniisip ko po, yung quality ba ng mga nilalabas natin or yung standard ng ginagawa natin enough na para pasok sa global scene? Yun po yung laging nasa isipan ko, kaya medyo parang pressured po ako lagi, pero at the same time excited kasi for sure naman po it's a new opportunity para sa grupo namin.
Unang-una sa lahat, thankful ako sa lahat ng taong naniwala sa amin. And kasi di namin iisipin na makarating kami dito, makapag-perform kami sa ganito kalaking stage. Dati, nagpo-perform lang kami sa tabi-tabi. Sobrang maliit na stage. And there are few people like, sobrang konti lang talaga kung anuin mo, parang mabibilang mo talaga. Pero sa situation sa level ngayon, medyo madami na nang naniniwala sa amin and madami na kaming supporters. And of course, thankful ako sa lahat ng staff, sa sarili din namin dahil hindi kami sumuko. Nagpatuloy kami and patuloy pa rin kami na magpapatuloy sa journey namin kasi I think nag-start pa lang kami and looking back 3 years ago, hindi mo talaga isipin na makarating kami dito. Sobrang unexpected na ma-appreciate talaga ng tao and ma-love kami ng mga tao. Siguro yung nasa train ako, I mean, sige, ilagay natin na parang na-amaze kasi hindi kasi lahat ng fan na makapagpigil like dudumugin ka talaga nun. Pero sila iba sila kasi parang mas inaano nila yung privacy mo or yung personal space mo para hindi ka ma-awkward. Kasi in fact, pag mga public places kasi medyo awkward siya kasi baka makapag inconvenience ng ibang tao kasi it's a train station eh. So I salute to them kasi na-appreciate ko yung binigyan nila na nila yung personal space namin and nilalagay nila sa tamang lugar yung parang yung respect andun ba kumbaga. Pero makikita mo na yung admiration sa mata nila pag nakita. So greetings lang, hi, thank you so much, ganun. So ayun, I admire them so much. What? Kasi proud ako kung saan ako nanggaling. Yung gaya nga sinabi ni Pablo, proud kami sa roots namin and gusto namin mag-inspire ng ibang tao. So parang whatever flag or whatever race, whatever wherever country you came from, kung saan ka man, you have to be proud of yourself. What status na meron ka ngayon, be proud of it. Kung ano ka man, kahit gaano man kaliit, walang pinipili yun, just be proud of it. And yeah, be confident. Yun lang.
SB19, if you do not know, SB19 is a 5-member Filipino boy band, of course from the Philippines, and SB19 is a passionate, dynamic, and explosive group in terms of performing, presenting their craft, and of course championing Filipino culture.
Eto guys, tandaan ninyo na kapag umakyat ang SB19 sa Lollapalooza, hindi lang 5 miyembro ang dala nila. Kasama nila ang mga Pilipino, kasama nila ang bandera ng Pilipinas. Every cheer na galing sa crowd, na galing sa audiences, becomes another proof na ang OPM at P-pop ay merong lugar sa global stage. Kasi let's be honest, kahit gaano kaganda ang kanta mo, kapag festival stage na, nako, iba na ang usapan. Isang oras mong haharapin ang libo-libong tao at maraming hindi nakakakilala doon sa SB19. At sa loob ng ilang kanta nila, kailangan nilang makuha ang atensyon ng buong crowd. Napatunayan na yan ng SB19 na kaya nilang magdala ng stage, hindi lang dahil sa choreography, hindi lang dahil sa vocals, pero dahil marunong magkwento ang SB19 habang nagpe-perform.
It is a profound honor to stand before you today to celebrate a group that has not only captured the hearts of millions, but has elevated Filipino pride on the global stage, SB19. Just as the Velarde map once guided explorers to new frontiers, SB19's music and dedication serve as a beacon for the next generation, lighting the way toward endless possibilities. SB19, you are more than just artists. You are modern-day navigators, charting a path for the future of P-pop. This commemorative map, a testament to our history, symbolizes the courage to embark new journeys, where Filipino pride, resilience, and ingenuity shine brightly for the world to see.
Yes, binigay po sa amin kanina ang Murillo Velarde 1734 map is more than just a map dahil naniniwala po kami na ito po ay simbolo ng ating nakaraan at patunay ng ating kasalukuyan at gabay sa ating kinabukasan.
Dahil po dito, patuloy na hinihikayat namin ang bawat artistang Pilipino na yakapin ang ating kultura at karanasan dahil ang bawat obra ay nagiging bahagi ng makasaysayang mapa nagagabay sa susunod na henerasyon.
More than a historical document, this map represents a profound truth that our identity as Filipinos is embedded not just in our culture but in every piece of land and water that we continue to honor and protect.
Our responsibility and hope goes beyond resilience. It lies in understanding our roots, embracing our identity, and acting with genuine love for our nation.
Ang karangalang ito, ang paalalang ito at ang tungkuling ito ay hindi lang para po sa amin. Para ito sa bawat Pilipino dito man sa Pilipinas o sa iba't ibang panig ng mundo. We promise to honor this responsibility, serving as a bridge between our rich history and the modern Filipino spirit.
Congratulations, SB19. Thank you for being our modern-day map makers, guiding us toward a brighter future for Filipino music and culture. As carriers of the spirit of the Velarde map and its enduring love for our people, may you continue to go up, illuminating the path for the next 1,000 years of our Filipino people. Shine brightly like the stars, proving that no challenge is too great for those who dare to dream.
Number 3, SB19. Not many artists can boast that they put their genre on the map. SB19, the trailblazers of P-pop, have that achievement under their belt, with Billboard fame and international accolades aplenty.
Now I can fly away. I'm taking you with me. I'm in heaven.
From the fertile soil of the Philippines, SB19 soared to unbelievable heights, popularizing Filipino art and culture around the world. One of their most popular songs, Gento, sparked a global dance challenge that had celebrities attempting their viral steps.
Gento, gento, dito basta-basta bindo. Need mo makumpleto parang bento. Gento.
New listeners turned into fans when they discovered their diverse body of work, ranging from EDM to rap, love songs, and rock. The members are undoubtedly multi-talented performers, but their deep involvement in the creative process makes them even more impressive. In conclusion, all the cool kids are listening to SB19. Are you?
We just reviewed the full 3-hour show, concert, Wakas at Simula by SB19. And it's quite possibly the best boy group concert in the last 20 or 30 years. That's no exaggeration. Think One Direction, think Destiny's Child, also including girl groups. Think Backstreet Boys, Take That. Arguably the #1 boy group in the world, BTS. They're competing. This is a band, a Filipino boy group that was destined to fail. That nearly 2 years ago, game over, nothing. Just would have been another fart in the wind. But, against all odds, they have done a 100,000 people concert, outdoors, with one of the best vocal performances by any boy group ever in pop, the best dancing performances, and an outstanding stage directing. That's what live concerts are about. The review is available now for all members, so hit the join button. 3 hours!
The best boy group at the moment, genuinely, most likely, or one of the best per se, comes from the Philippines, doesn't have the same amount of budget for music videos, for sound production, for anything, and is competing and beating everyone else. It's like the biggest dark horse fucking story, like the underdog story.
Yes. I actually do think that this sort of, because of all of these groups that are currently from the latest generations, let's say from 3rd generation upwards.
Yep.
All these pop groups have put themselves in miracle territory in terms of, like, they're all in the same race, including SB19 here. So the cool thing about, let's say from 3rd generation upwards, up until now, all of these groups, boy groups, let's just focus in there, have put themselves, including SB19, in a competition, in a race that has put them all in miracle territory. And miracle territory meaning the industry. Because if there is an industry that allows an underdog to really take over, will be the music industry. And it all comes down to public perception, and it all comes down to how the public, the market actually buys and reacts to this. So when people start championing or start supporting groups and songs and albums that cannot be translated into live music, they're sort of telling the market what actually works and how to become more profitable with the same formula. So it's really interesting to see groups like SB19 that have also gathered a very loyal fan base within their own country, but are starting to expand internationally, which I think it's what's gonna consolidate their success.
#1 Filipino boy band.
They are SB19.
You were the
first and only Filipino act to make it onto several of Billboard's charts and be nominated for a Billboard Music Award. How does that feel? I mean, you're breaking barriers. You're pioneers.
Well, we're doing our best to push for Filipino music to be recognized all over the world, but we're just grateful that the world and our fans is recognizing our talent. I think the efforts and all the hard work is
Hey, it's got to feel good, right?
Yeah, it feels really good.
That's Pete pop group SB19 with their song Bazinga, which Billboard reported surpassed BTS Butter for most weeks spent at #1 on the Hot Trending Songs chart. The popular boy band from the Philippines on a global tour, they've made history, becoming the first and only Filipino act to enter 3 Billboard charts early in their career. And Stel, Ken, Pablo, Josh and Justine, they are in the studio ready to perform for us. Here we go. SB19, take it away.
Siguro maling tanong ang deserve ba ng SB19 ang Lollapalooza? Tama ba ako? Ang mas magandang tanong siguro ay anong ginawa ng SB19 para makarating doon. Dahil kung titignan natin ang taon ng mga sacrifices, ang taon ng mga trainings, sold out concerts, world tours, at ang dedikasyon nilang iangat ang P-pop. Hindi na ito tungkol sa kung deserve nila. Ang totoo, pinaghirapan ng SB19 ang spot na yon. At siguro, ito ang pinakamagandang parte ng lahat. Ang Lollapalooza para sa SB19, hindi lang tagumpay ng 5. Tagumpay ito ng P-pop, tagumpay ito ng OPM, tagumpay ito ng mga Pilipinong matagal nang nangangarap, tagumpay ito ng mga Pilipinong matagal nang nangangarap na marinig ang ating musika sa malaking entablado. Kasi kapag merong isang nagbukas ng pinto, mas marami nang makakapasok.
Guys will be back! Sheesh! Ano ba yan? Nakakaya! OMG, why? Napahirapan niya si Jackie. Ang hirap-hirap. Basta makakakita ng ghetto! Basta makakakita ng ghetto! Di ko lang kailangan ng ghetto! Di malatara to! Malatara makin ako! Tangin mekanik ko! Ay ako! Lala moni-moni ko! Sa dami pinagdaan ng pata ng sorry ko! Mas matuling na bumalik na rito! Hindi ko marami! Hindi ko marami! Alisto! Laging alisto! Kahit na sinipisto! Tigil pang nabisto! Nabisto! No rats! I can do this all day! Performance and it's like over! Like a work on a rock play! Walang hongkong sa akin sa sapakain! Eto na nga! Sa nawawala na magkatulak ako! Kung mga tiras hindi ka mamamaba! Kahit sa lupa! Kahit hindi mo kahit hindi mo makukuha! No, this isn't over! Di pa tapos sa disaster! Alam ko na I'm in danger! Pero better yung sura magiging better kaya alamin ang mga bagay-bagay! Depende sa aking bahay! Lahat ng magtaas ang kilan! Subukin na matuto na pang magdilang! Get ready for the night! Doing what we do in the moonlight. You think I'm just somebody to play with for night?
I kinda like the thrill, destroying things I felt.
Gusto kaya pa alam, biyabot na ba na dime? Grabe bang all every day? Suko na pula mga fame. I'm a beast in my chain. Allergic ko sa mga lane. He won't look at me the same. It's out of my levels, what I'm trying to say. 노래가 바스토노 케이코 쿠다. 진정으로 이로가 가와되고. 다리다. 내가 일어나야 poli나. I came to rearrange the room 'cause I do not think you're done enough. Get out the way.
Wherever my finger lands, I'm gonna find an artist from that country to feature on my song.
Philippines. Let's go find our artist. I started doing a little research and came across this band, SB19. They have some amazing voices, so I reached out and they sent me this.
Pagising sa umaga, siya agad ang gusto na makita. Di ako marunong kumanta pero para sa kanya harana. Teka lang, bakit ba parang nasa tono tong aking gitara? Gusto ko lang naman sabihin na malamahali kang yung ganda, malaya. Di magwawakas, tila parirala. Oh, Diyos ko, I don't need no light, just need you. Shine, it's your golden hour.
Closer of the Year, John Paulo Nase. Congratulations.
Very good. We invite SB19 to deliver their acceptance speech. Congratulations.
Hello everyone, we are SB19. We really did not expect even the first award, and then having another one, it is really surprising and overwhelming. Even though it's our first time attending an international award event, we have 2 awards and we were able to perform earlier, so we're very thankful to everyone, especially to AAA for having this, an opportunity for everyone to show their talents. So thank you so much, 18. And of course, all the artists here, thank you so much.
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Opo, tama po. Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Maraming salamat po ulit para sa pagkakataon po na ito na makapag-perform kami sa inyong harap. At noon po, pangarap lang po namin ang makapag-release ng kanta. Pero ngayon, nasa harap niyo na po kami at tumatanggap ng award. Napakalaking bagay po ito para sa amin at syempre para po sa buong community ng Filipino music. And of course po sa aming 18, sa aming pinakamamahal na 18, maraming salamat sa walang sawang suporta, sa pagmamahal, sa pagtsatsaga at sa pag-aantay sa amin. Inuulit po namin itong award na to hindi lang para sa amin, para sa ating lahat to. And of course, we are very happy and we are very honored to represent and to showcase the Filipino music all around the world. Muli kami po ang SB19. Maraming salamat po.
SB19's 18 wins the Billboard Fan Army Face-Off for the 3rd time in a row. Billboard announces Wednesday, August 20, the fandom of the P-pop boy group beat out American pop singer Selena Gomez's Selenators in the finals to clinch the title. Billboard writes, each of the acts that SB19 squared off against this year has topped the Billboard Hot 100. SB19 has yet to achieve that milestone, but their hit Damn reached number 4 on the Billboard Philippines Hot 100 in March. 18 is now tied with K-pop groups Tiara Queens in terms of the number of times winning the Fan Army Face-Off. 18 is now the only fandom of a Filipino music act having won the competition. It first won in 2023 and proceeded to pull off a landslide win in 2024. Held since 2014, Billboard's Fan Army Face-Off is an annual voting tilt where fandoms of artists across the world go head-to-head to determine which fan army is the strongest.
History cannot be stolen and reassigned. That's not recognition. That's robbery, dressed up as celebration. SB19's milestones were carved with sweat, sacrifice, and perseverance. No network, no agenda, no shiny stage can erase that. 18 is done with the manipulation. You can keep playing dress up with fake crowns. SB19 already owns the throne. This is bigger than fan wars. This is about the truth. SB19 worked blood, sweat, and tears to pave the way for P-pop. Built from zero, with no big network backing. No network, no management, no award body, no fabricated accolades can bury what they've built. Their legacy is untouchable. We see through the lies. And we will never let anyone undermine what SB19 has already carved into OPM's history.
Come on, I want y'all to clap your hands.
Hindi sila basta inimbitahan. Pinatunayan nila na kaya nilang magpakita ng angking galing sa pagpe-perform sa world stage. At sa bawat hakbang na ginagawa nila, hindi lang pangalan ng SB19 ang dala nila. Kasama nila ang pangarap ng P-pop, kasama nila ang pangarap ng OPM. Sa oras na tumapak sila sa Alien Stage sa Lollapalooza, hindi lamang SB19 at W3 ang kanilang dala. Tandaan natin na ibabandera nila ang watawat doon ng Pilipinas. Ang bawat letra ng musika at ng indak nila sa entablado ay magsisilbing represent ng mga talent ng bawat Pilipino. At isang araw, hindi na magiging sorpresa kung makakakita tayo ng mga Pinoy na mga Pilipinong artist. Pinakamalalaking music festival sa buong mundo. Dahil kung may isang bagay na ipinakita ang SB19, ito ay ang katotohanang ang talent ng mga Pilipino ay hindi lang basta pang lokal. Handa na itong marinig ng buong mundo. SB19 performing at Lollapalooza isn't just a win for the group. It's proof that Filipino talent can stand on one of the biggest world stage, not because of luck, not because of hype, but because of the years of hard work, consistency, and the courage to dream beyond the boundaries. At siguro, iyon ang dahilan kung bakit maraming Pilipino ang nagsasabing hindi lang deserve ng SB19 ang Lollapalooza. They earned it.